In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt view in ClickUp. If you've ever wanted a clear timeline of your work with start dates, due dates, and dependencies all in one place, the Gantt view is perfect. It lives alongside your other views in ClickUp and gives you a bird's eye look at how tasks line up over time, where they overlap, and what's coming next. First, head into your ClickUp workspace and open the exact location where you want the timeline to live. That could be a space, a folder, or a specific list. This matters because the Gantt view will reflect whatever tasks exist in that part of your hierarchy. If you want a high-level timeline, use a space or folder. If you want a focused timeline just for a single project, go into that project's list. Next, look for the option to add a new view. Click the plus sign labeled View. You'll find it near the top of your screen alongside other view tabs like List or Board. This is how you add a new tab dedicated to a different way of seeing your tasks. If your window is narrow or you see a Views menu instead of tabs, that's okay. The option to add a view is still there. From the list of available views, choose Gantt. ClickUp will create a timeline view for the location you're in and lay out your tasks across a calendar. Tasks with start and due dates appear as bars stretching across the appropriate days. If a task doesn't have dates yet, it won't show on the chart until you add them, which keeps the timeline accurate and uncluttered. Once your Gantt view is visible, take a moment to scan the timeline. You'll see how work overlaps, where there's slack, and which tasks come first. This is incredibly helpful for planning sprints, visualizing milestones, or spotting bottlenecks before they affect delivery. If your team uses dependencies, those relationships will be reflected on the timeline, making it easier to understand what must finish before the next item can start. A quick tip, the Gantt view shines when your tasks have consistent date information. If you're preparing for a planning session, double-check that start and due dates are populated across your key tasks. You'll get a much clearer, more actionable picture. And that's it. Go to your workspace, click the plus sign to add a view, select Gantt, and you're done. You now have a powerful timeline to guide your planning and keep your team aligned.